This pandemic is prompting governments to take extreme measures to stop the spread of the virus. Both Governors Kate Brown and Jay Inslee made huge announcements this weekend, severely limiting bars and restaurants and other recreation across Oregon and Washington. Let's get it over to Elise Haas, who is live this morning explaining what's happening here in the Pacific Northwest. Elise?
Ken, first off, Oregon Governor Kate Brown is considering putting a curfew on all bars and restaurants across the state. And we're expecting to learn more about this in a telephone conference with her later on this morning. But her office did confirm yesterday that this latest curfew is just one of several measures that she's taking into consideration based off of information from public health officials. According to her press secretary, the governor is weighing those measures to figure out how to best lower the spread of the virus, to preserve hospital capacity, and reduce real-world impacts for Oregonians. And in Washington, yesterday, Governor Jay Inslee announced his plan to temporarily close all bars, restaurants, entertainment, and recreation facilities. But he did say that restaurants and bars could continue takeout and delivery services. So he's expected to make this emergency proclamation today. He also changed the ban on large gatherings, lowering it to no more than 50 people. That is down from 250 people previously, and that is one of the CDC's latest recommendations. As far as Governor Brown goes, we will have more concrete information about what she plans to do with bars and restaurants later on this morning after her announcement over the phone to us. And once we have that information, we'll be sure to post it as soon as possible to KOIN.com. Reporting live, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.
Thank you, Elise. Now, here are the latest numbers from health officials. In Oregon, 3 new cases of coronavirus were announced yesterday. The Oregon Health Authority is reporting 1 new case in Yamhill County, a new case in Deschutes County, and 1 new case in Lynn County. According to state health officials, 39 people in the state of Oregon have been diagnosed with COVID-19. Well, over the weekend, they announced Oregon's first coronavirus-related death. They say that he was a 70-year-old Multnomah County resident with underlying health conditions. He was being treated at the Portland Veterans Medical Center. Now to Washington State. Health officials say there are at least 769 confirmed cases. There are 42 deaths there. And public health officials say 29 of them are linked to the Kirkland nursing home. Yesterday, a case was confirmed in Longview at Peace Health St. John Medical Center. That patient is being treated in isolation. We're told there have been more than 10,000 tests administered statewide in Washington State, and nearly 9,500 have already come back negative.